Thank you for joining us in the Yetter Solutions Center. Our Solutions Center videos discuss, explore, and evaluate the latest Yetter innovations while tackling the tough agronomy issues our industry faces.
At the beginning of the year, we recommended lubricating these bearings. What you want to do is loosen these 3 bolts and drop this side of the barrel down, this cast housing, and your bearing will slide off the square shaft on the end of the barrel. Then you want to take it to the vise and put it in the vise for the rest of the process. So once you have the bearing in the vise, best method to get this bearing out is just get a pipe. The closer the diameter the pipe to the inner race of the bearing, the easier it'll be. You just spin that bearing sideways. Sometimes it takes a few smacks with a dead blow to get it broke loose if they're a little bit rusty, if they've ran a season or two. Then, like I say, spin it sideways in there, and on the back side there is a groove that bearing will just slide sideways. Then you just got to put anti-seize. If it's a little rusty, clean it up with some sandpaper and do the same on the inside of the housing. Put a good amount of anti-seize around the outside of this bearing race and in the housing, and then reinstall it. When you're reinstalling it, you want to get it about as close to square as you can. And then when you're reinstalling this bearing on the actual barrel, you want to pay attention that one side of this bearing protrudes out a little bit. The other side is recessed, and it's the side with the notches that is recessed. So that side that is recessed needs to go up against the bearing plate. If you get it backwards and put this protruding side, when you tighten your bolts down, that'll keep your barrel from spinning and it'll start dragging up residue. We get a lot of calls on that. So just pay close attention that you've got this installed correctly.
Thanks for joining us today. Be sure to check out the complete Yetter Solutions Center playlist at youtube.com/YetterCO. And as always, we're here to help you find profitable solutions for your operation. If you need more information or have a topic idea for a future episode, drop an email to our Solutions Center team at solutions@yetterco.com.